Guys, how are you all?
Good.
Good.
Hi, Miss Priya.
Yes, hi. Okay, last week, did you have any questions on the homework?
No, it was easy.
It's easy, but did we do? Give me 1 minute. I had some questions for some of you, not for everybody though.
Miss Priya, I don't understand how to do.
Completing squares.
Yeah.
Did you go over the recording then? Did you go over the class recording? See, that is the only way out, Ma. If you don't spend time and you come and ask, you're pulling down the class. You see what I mean? It's very difficult for me to go reteach.
Oh, okay. I'll
No,
look
no,
at
no. The problem is I expect you to go over, at least message me asking about it. I never received any message. At least go over the recording or
Okay.
ask me for links that can help you. So some way you need to show dedication and I will go above and beyond. You see what I mean?
Okay.
You see what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Krishiv. Krishiv is here. Very hard. Okay.
Miss Priya, I
Yeah.
did my homework like yesterday.
You did your homework yesterday. Did you submit?
Yeah, I did it, but I think I submitted it.
Yeah, I'll check, but I had a few questions to a few of you. Krishiv is not in here, that's fine. Okay, now I had more questions for some of you. Subi, did you understand all parts of it? Completing squares?
Yeah.
I saw your work, but at the same, it was very clear. Did you check with your answers, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. So you understood the no solutions part as well?
Yeah.
Okay, that was
That's
the
just
question.
when like when the
Yep, you have negative
it's
square,
like negative values.
negative, yeah, negative square roots. Advik, you have put no solution, but did you understand why no solution, Advik?
Yes, ma'am. I just didn't show my work. I put it on a different piece of paper.
Yeah, yeah. For the rest of it, you had shown. That's what makes me ask you.
Yes.
So,
Yeah, I
okay,
understood it.
okay. Take some of the answers because they were different from. If it was different, then that needs discussion, right, Dhruv?
Mm-hmm. What'd you say?
No, no. If it was different, then that needs discussion, Dhruv. Some of the answers, because they were different from the answer key you have written down, right? Have you noted those for us to discuss in class?
No, I mean like they put in decimal form. I put in like square root form.
Ah, okay, okay, perfect. I really like the way you're nicely saying. Okay. Okay, so we know completing squares. Quadratic application problems we didn't, right? Okay, that we will. Coming to Annam, I heard you had a lot of trouble with completing squares, right? That's what we did here, right?
Yeah.
In class. What happened?
I understood it in class. Sorry. I understood it in class, but I don't know. I think I forgot or something. I don't actually know, but it was just like written differently, so I forgot how to do it.
So you could not do it?
Yeah, but I learned how to do it.
Okay. Mom sat with you?
Yeah.
Mm. Okay. Okay. Next question to you all. Are you all doing the EOC review? How many of you have done it? How many of you have?
I've
Are yet to do?
finished the 5 roots.
Yeah, 5. Yeah. Was it easy, Ma? Did you have any questions on that?
No, it was really easy.
It was really easy. So that's how your EOC is going to be.
The one with 10 sets.
The one with 10 sets, correct. Root category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? That's a good one, Ma. So that's a good one for you to review. Okay, let me share my screen and show you guys. Advik, were you able to do all that? Akshada, did you do the EOC review?
I started the review, but I haven't finished it yet.
Yes,
Completing squares? Completing squares? Completing squares, Ma?
I wasn't able to do it this week because I was really busy with studying for STAR.
Studying for STAR, but this is also EOC review, right? So I'm a little off. Akshada, are you in the right class?
Yeah.
Mm.
We have our reading star next week.
Oh, I
Our
see.
reading star is on the 15th.
Okay, what is going on? Give me a minute. Let's see. Let's go over some quadratic word problems. I'll stop the share. Let me go back. Quadratic word. How many of you remember correlation causation? You all remember correlation causation? Would you be able to do it if given a calculator? Because that is one possible question. Do you want me to review that or you're all good?
Can you review that?
Let's pay. How do we do correlation? I know how to do correlation coefficient with the calculator, but how do we do causation with the calculator?
No, okay, no. Correlation coefficient is what I meant.
Okay, because I got.
Give a minute. Let me see. Correlation. One question at least I just want to do. Because that's a common question. Let's see. Maybe here, let's see. It's not great. Give a minute, guys. That's not. Maybe 2018 doesn't make any sense to me though. Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, this one I'll review once and then I'll go to let's see. I would like you to do the correlation coefficient. Let's see, guys. Give me 1 minute, okay? Yep. You need problems on correlation coefficient, right? Okay, how about this? Okay, let's find out this. You're going to do it. Please have your calculators ready, guys. That will really help me.
Oh, wait, can I go get it?
Yeah, please. That is really useful, right? You need to have it.
No, so go get it.
Yeah, please. I need your calculators definitely because this one is a possible question and if you get it, you have to do it, right? Okay. Can I go ahead and give you those of you who are in here? Okay. There is the data relating to bike helmets, price in dollars, and the rating. Okay. So I'm going to give the table to you. You're going to find out the correlation coefficient from the table that's given. Okay, this is a common thing that usually kids forget because we learned it before and usually they forget. Okay. So you want me to make it bigger? I can make it bigger, guys. I want you to be able to do it nicely. Let's see. Can I make it bigger? Annam, do you remember how to do this, Annam?
It's like where you plug the numbers in a table and then you write the equation for a line, right?
Yeah.
And then it'll tell you what R is.
Exactly. Do you know how to use the calculator and get the correlation coefficient?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, go ahead. Advait, where are you? You are switching off the video. How will I know what you're doing?
Sorry. Wait, Miss Priya, what's the question? Like, what's the question it's asking?
The question is asking for the correlation coefficient.
Oh, okay.
Find out the correlation coefficient between the number, the helmets and the rating. Between the price of the helmets and the quality rating of the helmet. Is there a correlation? If it is so, what is the correlation coefficient? Let me know, guys.
What place do you round the correlation coefficient to?
You can round it to the nearest tenth, ma'am.
Okay.
But if you don't know how to use a calculator, let me know. Advi, good job.
Can you help me use the calculator?
Yes, definitely. That's why I'm asking. Okay, what are you on? Meaning you want me to bring up the calculator and show you, that is also fine. Okay. Did you type these values in the calculator? I'm confused on how to use the calculator on this. That is so important. Okay. So do you all have a TA84 calculator? Okay. Can one of you copy the table values? I will show you to use a calculator, please. But you have
I
to.
have it copied.
Oh, you have it copied. Okay. So,
Wait,
okay.
Miss Priya, is my answer?
Ma, please, ma, I'm working, right? If you ask me in between, it is very hard on me as well, right?
Sorry.
Ashrita, that doesn't seem to be the correlation coefficient. Dhuru, that seems to be correct. Okay, I'm going to show you how the calculator will work for this. Please get your calculators up. Okay. When you start your calculator, go to second table set because you're going to do the table, right? So table set, table start is 0. Independent values and dependent values are marked as ask, right? No, auto, right? I don't want any auto. I want it to ask me for the values. So I will set it to ask. Okay, second table set, ask. So now I set it, right? Now I can go to second and table. I want the blue color thing. So can I have the values? What are the X values, ma?
35,
35,
20,
20,
30,
30,
40,
40,
50,
50,
23,
23,
30,
23. I didn't do it properly. Third, what? 23. Okay, then
30,
30,
18,
18,
40,
40,
28,
28,
20.
20. Annam, are you seeing what are we doing?
Yes.
Okay, good. How do I go to the other one? Oh my gosh, wait.
I
No.
thought to figure out the coefficient, we have to enter it in stat and then go to like turn on diagnostics and then like go to the linear regression part.
See, even, yeah,
That's how
ma,
I did it.
in the stat plot? In the stat plot?
No,
Stat,
the
okay,
stat
stat.
button.
Okay, okay.
Stat, then edit, and then enter the values in.
That's the same. Okay. Okay. Perfect. We'll go with this. We'll go with this. Okay. Long since I have done it. Okay. So let's go with the stat. Let me go back. Okay. Let me go back and show you. Sahana got off. Okay. Second, you don't need to press the second. Second is only for the blue values, right? You can just press stat. So you go to calc. This table that's, oh my God.
So you have to go to
1
edit.
minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. Edit,
Yep.
you can edit the table L1, L2 values. So I am sorry, guys. Okay, I'll do it. 35, 20, 30, 40. 35, 35, 20, 30, 40. And then
50,
what? 50,
50,
23, 50.
30, 18,
Ma, 1 minute. 50, 50,
23,
23,
30,
30,
18,
18,
40,
40,
28,
28,
20,
20. That's enough, I think.
25.
No? Oh, 25. There's one more. Okay. 25, 20, 25. Okay. Now let's
65,
go to 1 minute, ma. Let me check whether I'm at the beginning. Yes. Go ahead.
65,
65,
61,
61,
60,
60,
55,
55,
54,
54,
47,
47,
47,
47,
43,
43,
42,
42,
41,
41,
40,
40. Did you all get it? Oh,
and
this one more.
32.
Sorry, ma. 30?
32.
2. Okay, so we are done here, right? Okay, one thing is, again, I'll go to stat, calc.
Linear regression.
Rayleigh got into Nestle. Rayleigh got into Nestle. Nestle. It's
1 second, guys. What is that? Okay, let's go ahead. Calc. When you go to calc and then this is basically, let's do a linear regression on it.
You have to turn on the diagnostics.
Yeah, Maya, I just want to show them that it is not coming there. The correlation coefficient is not coming there. So let me do this. Linear regression. See, X list is L1. L1 is what we substituted column 1. L2 is column 2. Store, I'm not going to store. Okay, let's see. I'm not going to store calculate. Okay, when I calculate, I don't get anything here. I have to get the correlation coefficient, right? Or there will be one value. I did not get it, right? So you will have to go to mode, diagnostic mode. Let's see. Where is the diagnostic mode on? Diagnostics on should be there, right?
Yes.
1 second, let me see.
It's over there. If you go to mode,
Sorry,
you have to.
let's do a mode. Where is the diagnostics, ma?
It's like the fourth to the bottom.
Sorry, I'm not able to see. Yes, thanks.
It says stat diagnostics on or off.
See, diagnostics. The fourth from the bottom was helpful. So diagnostics on. When I set it, that means I'm going to get the correlation coefficient is done. So I go back to my stat, calc. Again, I'm doing a linear regression. Go there. I'm not going to store any regression equation or anything. So I come down, calculate. When I do this, I do see the R square and R value. R value is the correlation coefficient. Avni, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, can you do that and make sure you're getting it? It is a 0.3. So is there a correlation or not, Sahana? If you get a 0.3, is there a correlation or not? Annam, did you understand how to find it? Pratika, did you understand, ma?
I understood.
Oh, yeah.
Did you do it along with me, ma? I want you to do it along with me. Stat is the button you're going to do to enter the list, and then stat edit and stat calc.
Okay.
Miss Priya, what's the answer for this question?
0.3, ma. 0.3 is the correlation coefficient. So there is a, I would say, a very weak positive correlation.
Because from on my calculator, I got the R as 0.303, but for you, you got 0.264.
I know.
But
You
I
know
got
what?
too. I got the same thing as Ashrita.
Ashita, okay, maybe there is a value that's incorrectly typed. I can check it quickly. Wait. See, there is a value that's typed incorrectly. Do you see 20?
Oh, yeah.
Usually that's always the case if you and I have different values. 50,
It's
and then
23.
23, I had it. So let's see. I can't edit it.
You have to just retype the number.
Yeah, 23. Yes. So now stat, calc. Let me go to linear regression. Now, Annam, were you able to? 303. Thank you. Can we move
Okay.
on?
Yes.
Yeah. Just that you need to remember and take the calculator for the test. Shall we go ahead? Okay. Okay. Now I really want to do some what to say, some quadratic word problems. Definitely I want to do, but I'm waiting on it. Let's see. Yeah. See, guys. Okay. Let's go over this. Let me give it to you. Okay. Quadratic equation. Do you remember the is it too small, guys? I feel like it's too small. Hold on. Quadratic equation can be written in a standard form or the vertex form, right? Quadratic equation standard form is what? Let me go ahead and quickly refresh that. Quadratic equation standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation standard form. Is this given in standard form? The vertex form is 8 times x minus h the whole square plus k equal to f of x. Y value is equal to this. They give it to you like this. It is in standard form. This is in vertex form. Okay. Any questions? Any questions on this? Okay. So is this given in standard form or vertex form, Advait?
It's given in vertex form.
It is given in standard form. ax square plus bx plus c, right?
Oh.
Having said that, there is a negative coefficient. There is a negative coefficient on the highest power of t, has a negative coefficient. Here the y's are represented by h, x is represented by a t in the given equation. The highest power of x has a negative coefficient means, what does that mean, Ashrita? In a graph, always I want to graph this. If I graph this, what would happen to my parabola, Ashrita, because of this negative sign?
It would flip upside down. So
Yep, it would be a downward facing parabola. Wherever I get it, it would be a downward facing parabola. So now always the h can be substituted to y, and 4.9 x square plus 27x plus 2.4. What is this x and y? For that downward facing parabola, each point is x comma y, x comma y, x comma y. Any point on that graph is x comma y, right? Or I can call it as t comma h. Now, how high is the balloon after 1 second? That means 1 second is what? On the x-axis, what do I have? On the y-axis, what do I have on the graph? X-axis is always the time. See, h is always the height. This is height. This is time, right? Now, after 1 second, time is given. That is the t value or the x value in this equation. Now, how high? They're asking for the y value. How high is the balloon after 1 second? So, what do you do? I'll wait, guys. I'm going to wait to understand how many are doing, how many are not doing. After that, I'll help you. I want one more problem on correlation coefficient to do it by yourself. This sort of a homework you have to do.
Miss Priya, for this week's homework, can you like give us time until next Friday to do it? Because of reading star, I might not be able to have enough time.
Absolutely. I'm glad you're telling me.
Yeah, me as well. Our stars on
Everybody,
Tuesday.
I'll do it. I'll do it that way. Uh-huh. Okay, I want you to find out the correlation coefficient for one more problem. Okay. Let's see. Advait, how did you do that, Advait? Krishiv, how did you do that? Subhi, Pratika, you all got it. Advik, you got it. Akshada, how did you get it?
Miss Priya, I'm kind of stuck on the second question, but I know I got the answer to the first question.
Advik, you're stuck on the second question?
No, Dhruv.
Dhruv, okay. Sahana, good job, ma. B, what about B, Sahana? Akshada, how did you get 53? Can you educate us? Akshada?
I plugged in 1 for t.
Correct. You plugged in 1 for t. When you put it into an equation, it's going to be an upward facing downward facing parabola because of the negative. Fine. Now every point in this is 1x, 1y. X is the time, y is the height. So that being the case, here after 1 second means you have to substitute t equal to 1. That's what it means. So h is equal to minus 4.9 plus 27 plus 2.4. What did you get, Akshada?
I think 53.4.
Really? How will it be 53? This is minus 4.9 plus 27 plus 2.4, right, ma?
Oh, I think I squared negative 4.9 instead of 1.
Oh no. Oh, t square. T is the only one that's squared.
Okay.
Oh, I
If
think
you're
that was
put
mine.
like this, then both are squared. If you're given like this, then only the t is squared.
I think that was my mistake as well.
So the answer is 24.5 feet because height meters. And then shall we go ahead? The next one. How long is the balloon more than? Okay. Now, when I do this, right, a water balloon is catapulted into the air. Okay. So they're asking how long is the balloon more than 30 meters high? Let's say the 30 meter is here. I don't know what is even this. Okay. That means what? This is 30 meter. So my y value is 30 meter. I don't know the x value for this. This is x comma 30. We don't know the x values on these. They're asking the time. Literally, they're asking the time for which the balloon was above 30 meters, correct? So what is the best way to do this? Who can think and tell me? I know one value. Knowing one value, the other is very easy to do. How do I do?
Plug it into the equation.
Exactly. Plug in that y into the equation. Y is h here, right? 30 equal to minus 4.9 t square plus 27t plus 2.4. So what happens? Minus 4.9 t square plus 27t minus 30 minus to 28, 27.6 will be equal to 0. Now t equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times minus 4.9. What is the t value? Can one of you say? What were the t values, Advik?
Did you say Advait or
Advik.
About 1.6
Okay.
and 4.15.
1.6.
1.36 and 4.15.
Okay. Both are positives.
Yes.
Good job. So the x value here is 1.36. X value here is 4.15. Because there were two values, right? Both were 30 y value. So you should have two x values as well. So if you didn't get this, you have to stop me now. So this point is 1.36 comma 30. The other point is 4.15 comma 30. Advik, what are the two x points you got?
I think I did it wrong.
Yeah,
I got
that's
the whole number. Yeah, I got it wrong for sure.
yeah, that's why I called you out. Tell me, ma.
I don't. How does two points answer for how long is the balloon more than 30 meters high?
Okay. See, when I launch a balloon, water balloon from my ground, right? It falls down back, right? This is my water balloon's path. The path is given by this equation. Okay. They're asking for how long is the balloon more than 30 meters high. They just chose some height. This is 30 meters. They really want to know how long was it above. How long means what is the timeline? Timeline is on the x-axis. So project it on the x-axis. So this is the time duration for which the balloon was above 30 meters. Do you get it?
So would you like answer as like a domain thing? Like
Yeah, domain. But they're asking for the domain at which the range was greater than 30.
so it'd be 1.36 is
Substitute the value of h to be 30. Then it becomes a quadratic equation. You can use quadratic formula to solve. You get t will be equal to 1.36, t will be equal to 4.15. So this point is 1.36 comma 30. This point is 4.15 comma 30. So the difference between the times is the x coordinate, right? 4.15 minus 1.36. This was the time duration for which the balloon was about 30 meters. This is what I'm trying to find. Am I making sense?
yeah.
Yeah, these are, I wanted to do these problems, okay. So now, let me give you this. Find out the correlation coefficient for me on this one, okay. Find out the correlation and tell me what is the type of correlation as well. Find out the correlation coefficient using your calculator and tell me what type of correlation as well.
To what place do you round it? 10th place?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Dhruv, good job. So just send me what is the type of correlation, Dhruv?
I sent it.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Good job, Advik. Avni, good job, Dhruv, good job, Ashruta. Please use the calculator. If you're having trouble, I'm here to help. Okay, in the meantime, whoever has sent the answer, do not have to keep quiet. Let me go ahead with more problems. You know, the same question, let's continue. I really want you to be good with this, guys, with the intent. Maybe your questions in your EOC are not going to be this different, but it's nice to get answers to these two. Whoever has done the correlation problem can continue with the next one. Krishav, that doesn't seem right, Krishav. Sahana, that doesn't seem right. Avni, that doesn't seem right. First of all, guys, for you to check, to do a sanity check on your answers. See, the X values go up, Y values go down. What does that suggest, Sahana? Annam, correct. Krishav, did you type in the values correctly, Krishav?
Wait, am I supposed to round a bit less?
No, your value, the correlation coefficient is incorrect. So did you type all the values? Maybe you missed some values. Akshata,
Oh,
what
yeah.
did you get? Sahana, did you look at the pattern? One is going up, one is going down. That means what? What does it mean?
It's a negative.
It is a negative correlation coefficient. So your value, first of all, should be in a negative value. So where did you go wrong with that?
Maybe I typed in the wrong thing.
I can't say like that. Avni, same with you. What is going? Oh, Krishav, correlation coefficient can range only from -1 to 1. -1 through 0 to 1. It can't be this big of a value at all.
Oh, I just forgot to put in the negative in my answer.
Ah, okay. Subi, that's correct. Advik, I'll check your answer. Wait. That seems right. Dhruv and Advik, one of you have rounded very badly. I don't know whom. Dhruv or Advik, one of you have rounded for the C question, rounded a little too much. Annam, the D question is not 0 ma. See, when will the balloon burst? When means they are asking for the time, X value. Yes, your Y is 0, but they're asking, so you know the Y value. You just need to find the X value at which your Y value will be 0. If you get one, if you know one, you can find the other X and Y.
It would just be x is equal to 0, right? Because
X can't be equal to 0 because see, the balloon started at 0. There should be some other point it should fall to the ground, correct? You see the balloon has to fall to the ground at some other point.
yeah.
Advait, what are you doing, Advait? I'm not getting any answers.
I've been trying to work this out, but I don't know what to do. I was about to ask you, but I was waiting to work it out a little more.
Avni, you got it right. Krishu, what happened? Did you type in the answer, the values properly? Are you using an online calculator or a physical calculator? Are you having a calculator?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, what type of calculator do you have?
The one that you said. Yeah, 84.
Okay, then did you put in stat? Did you put in the values properly?
I maybe messed up.
As long as you take the pain, I'll help. Otherwise, no. Okay, Dhruv, that's correct. D. Ashrita, that seems correct. Okay. D, what is the answer, Advik?
I'm still
Okay.
solving it.
Akshada, I didn't get answer from you for the correlation
Could
coefficient.
you
I don't know.
explain how to use the calculator for the correlation coefficient?
I just now explained, right, Ma? What were you doing? Did you note down?
Could you just do it one more time?
Sure. So you're going to note down the table values. Now you're going to dictate. Note down the table values. You're going to dictate to me because when I go to the other screen and share with you, I can't even see the screen. Did you note down? Did you note down? I'm going to do it for you. I know Ashrita and Dhruv are done. Okay. Ashrita, Dhruv, can I go ahead and give you one more question?
Okay.
I noted down the value.
Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute, ma. Let me give them this. Okay, let's see this one. This is a different word problem. Ashrita, Dhruv, Advik, you can proceed. Okay, I don't want you to be waiting for me. Or I'll put it in here, guys. So, okay, you noted down, ma. Please note down the problem, guys. Ashrita. Okay, one thing
I have it
is,
note down if you want me to say it.
it would help if you note down because I want to go into the calculator and do the problem. That's
I have
fine.
it noted down in my calculator.
You have?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay.
After you explain that, can you explain how to solve C?
Definitely, I'll explain all the problems. Okay, mural problem is in here for the other three. Okay, whoever has done Advik, Dhruv and Ashrita, you're going to do this mural problem. Okay, now guys, who is with the correlation coefficient problem? For that one, right? I'm going to go to stat. Ashrita, Akshada, this is the last time I'm explaining. Go to stat, edit, enter. I want to clear all these values. I don't know how to clear this.
You have to go up to L1
Up to L1. Let's see.
and then click clear. Enter. And then enter.
Okay. Thank you, Ma. So nice. So go up, clear, enter. Now let's go to L1. Akshada, do you want to shout out the values?
Yeah. X is 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And Y is 135, 132.
1 minute, Ma. Y is 135,
132,
132,
129,
129,
125,
125,
122,
122, 125. Oh, I don't know why 125, 122, then
119, and 115.
119,
115.
115. Okay, now I go to stat, calc, go down to linear regression, number 4. Just leave it as it is, come down, calculate. So you have the value as minus 0.99. That is the correlation coefficient. R, not R square. Did you guys get it? Akshada, did you get it?
Yes.
Yeah, I understood. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Okay, now I'm going to stop this. It's a strong negative correlation. Some of you are doing some problem, different problems each of you are doing now. Okay, so I'm going to erase the first question. We are done with the correlation coefficient. It is a strong negative coefficient. Now, a water balloon question is there, right? What did we do for that? Let's do C and D and then we'll go to the mural question. Water balloon question, see the water balloon was ejected like this. So this is X, this is Y. So this was the height, this was the time, correct? Now, what is the maximum height of the balloon? What are they asking? The vertex Y value, right? Given in standard form. If you're given quadratic equation in standard form, how do you find out the vertex? They are just asking for the vertex. Maximum height means Y value of the vertex. So for you to find the X value of the vertex, what do you do? Minus B by 2A, correct? So minus 27 by 2 times minus 4.9. This is your X value of the vertex. Once you get the answer for this, substitute this X into the T values. Find out the H value. Find out the H value for this X, whatever you're finding it here. So minus 27 divided by minus 9.8. Whatever is your X value, substitute that instead of T. Then you get your H value, that is the maximum height. Sahana, did you understand?
Yes, I did now.
Okay. Then when will the balloon burst when it hits the ground? They're asking for this X value. Automatically what, Annam? You know that Y value is 0, right? So you have to solve this equation using quadratic formula. Substitute Y value equal to 0. So you get...
I didn't I didn't do the
So
integral
always they will
form.
give you one, they'll ask you for the other. You have to be clear with what they have given, what you need to find. Make sense?
Yes.
So basically there will be two T values. Okay. One T value is at the start, one T value is at the end. Got it? Okay. Now the last one, guys, mural. I'm just waiting for the other answers. I'm going, go ahead, a mural to be painted. Go ahead with that.
I don't understand this.
This one was hard. Okay, I see. Who said it was hard? I didn't see. Sorry, guys.
Advait.
Okay, I'll help you.
I
How
don't understand how to do this either.
Okay, I don't understand how to. Oh, wow. A mural on a wall. Okay, let's try. I don't know. Okay, honestly, I don't know. Let's see. A mural is to be painted on the wall. Okay, let me draw the wall. Okay, that is 15-meter long, 12-meter high. These are difficult problems though. That's where I picked it from. A border of uniform width is to surround the mural. Okay. Okay. If the mural is to cover 75% of the area of the wall. Ah, I see. If the mural is to cover 75%, this is the mural. The mural is to cover 75% of the wall. Oh, okay. This is basically, okay. This is 15. This is X. This is X because that's of equal. Yama,
Is it okay if I can explain?
you want to explain? Sure. 1 minute, ma. This is X. This is X. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
So the area of the wall is like 180.
I don't want you to explain the answer, please. First of all, go
Oh.
with the steps, right? I said the width is X. Continue from there. Width of the border. Width of the border is same all around. Go ahead, Dhruv.
So what do you mean by continue the steps?
Continue from, see, first of all, define the variable X is equal to width of the border. After that,
And
meaning go with a structured approach so that everybody understands, right? Not from the answer. That's my request to you. Do you see it? If you take X as the width of the border, how will you go ahead?
then you can say like well, I don't know, I forgot.
Okay, no problem. How did you do? Tell me.
So I first like did 15 times 12. And I got 100.
So, okay, let's see what Dhruv did. He found out 15 times 12 the area. Okay, after that?
Then since the mirror covers 75% of the wall area, I did 0.75 times 180.
0.75 times 180. Yeah. Oh, this is 180. Yeah.
Yeah. And I got 135.
If the mural is to cover 75% of the area of the wall, so this is 75% of the total area, right?
Yeah.
So 180 is 75% of the total wall area, right? So that will be 3 by 4th of the total wall area, right?
Oh.
You see 180 times 4 by 3 is the total area, right? So this is 60, this is 240. So 240 square units is your total area, right? You see the other way you have done. Am I making sense, Dhruv?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, now for those of you, I have assumed X as the width of the border. Okay, I can't go there yet. Okay, before I go there, first I need to understand more about the mural. I can find the area of the mural to be 180 square units. But they have clearly mentioned that the mural refers to 75% of the area of the wall. So 180 represents 3 boxes. If I say the area of the entire wall is 4 boxes, 75% is 180. So what are these boxes standing for? 60, 60, 60, 60, right? So the total area of the wall would be 240. Any questions still here? Any questions, Ashrita, Advik?
I think I messed it up and did it the other way, like Dhruv.
Oh, you messed up the other way. Okay, okay. Just see, if the mural is to cover 75% of the wall means 3 boxes are only 180. So you need to find out the 4 boxes because 75% is 3 by 4, right? 3 out of 4. 3 parts out of 4 parts is 180. Now, 240 square units is the total area of this wall.
I
Okay.
got
Okay.
thrown off because it said like nearest 10th of a meter. So like when I was getting my answer, I was like, I'm not getting anything to the 10th place. So I'm like, I got confused if I was doing it right or wrong.
Okay, now did you get through till here, ma?
Yes.
Now what happens? See, this width becomes 12 plus 2x now. If I want to calculate the area of the entire wall, 12 plus 2x times, what is this? 15 plus 2x, right? That will be equal to 240. Am I making sense, guys?
Yes.
So they're asking how wide must the border be? I have to find out x. That's a big problem. Now 12 plus 2x times 15 plus 2x will be equal to 240. What is 15 times 12? One of you please help me, guys. 150 plus 30, 180. Huh? Yeah. 180 plus 30x plus 24x plus 4x square equal to 240, right? 4x square plus 54x minus 40, 50, 60. 60 equal to 0. Now, how to find out x? The quickest way, I really am inclined to use the quadratic formula. Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4a. 4 times 4 is 16. And then a minus 60 that gets you to plus here. Divide by 8. 2a, right? Minus 54 plus or minus. Can one of you please help me with this calculation? 6 6 are 36, 1 is 960. Divide by 8. Would you mind helping me?
Okay. But is it 54 square?
Yeah, my insides. Okay, first calculate the discriminant. 54 square plus 960. Square root it and tell me.
I got 3876.
Okay, square root of that.
62.25.
Okay, divide by 8. Now, the thing is, the width can't be a negative value. See, you can either find out minus 54 minus 62.25 divided by 8. This can be thrown out because the width can't be a negative value. So go for the positive value. Go for the positive value. Minus 62.25 positive minus 54 divided by 8. That's the only possibility. So 6, 7, 8.25 by 8.
I got minus 14.5.
Yeah, the negative value should be thrown out, ma, because the width can't be negative, right?
So it has to be the other.
Yeah, it has to be the other one. So it is 1.03.
Okay.
3.
You got it?
Yes.
This is how you find. See, these are harder problems in Algebra 1, application-based
Wait,
problems.
will we find these type of problems in the EOC?
No, honestly, no. Only thing is, I want you to be a little strong when you confront Algebra 2.
Okay.
100% you won't go this far. Particularly for EOC is going to be an easy test where they want everybody to get a nice score. That will be the intent of the exam itself.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll tell you very honestly. Okay, so shall we try one more?
Yeah, because the practice stars that I did were pretty easy.
Yeah. EOC problems will not go this far. But at some point, Algebra 1, yes, you need to know these. That's what I would expect. You see what I mean? But you can take your time. No, meaning, I'm not pushing you. But at the same time, slowly try, right? Okay, how about this?
Wait, Miss Priya.
Mm-hmm.
Like, this is like a separate question, but like, why is if you go on the STAR website, why is the like EOC the same as the Algebra 1 STAR test?
I don't get you. What is your question, Dhruv?
Like, in the STAR website, the EOC is like the same as the Algebra 1 STAR test. The
Yeah,
EOC,
that is your EOC.
then what STAR would be taking?
Algebra 1.
But they both are the same thing in the website. Like, they both have the same questions.
I'm sorry, Dhruv. I can go to the
Like, not
site.
now. Maybe after class.
They are the same thing. The EOC and the star are the exact same thing.
Yeah.
What is your question? Meaning, I'm
I'm
prepared
asking.
to.
I was asking why. This separate question.
You're asking why are they same?
Yeah.
Are you seeing my Google Chrome?
No.
Nobody's seeing that.
It's like a white strip. It's like lagging.
Funny. Okay, let me share my desktop. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, now what is your question, Dhruv? High school. This is your EOC. Test form is your EOC. Okay, for guys, I don't know how many of you are seeing it properly. 2020, see 2024, 23, 22, 21 is here, right? Please read through and go here. Previous star released questions are available. Do you all see that?
Yeah.
Then you have to go there and do the rest of the 3 or 4 years. See, so many years are given. So high school, this is your Algebra 1 EOC. This is the Algebra 1 star test for the year as well, Dhruv. Any questions there?
Oh, okay, I get it.
You get it? Both are one and the same, and per Texas State, you are required, if you want to graduate from high school, your score in your pass score in Algebra 1 end of course test is essential. Just like next year, you'll all be learning honors biology. So Texas State requires you to show a score in your Algebra 1 end of course and in your biology, honors biology. So both are required. You need to show a passing score in both.
Wait, honors biology is the same as biology advanced, right?
Yes. Yes. See, just put the word honors advanced together. Okay. It all means one and the same. Okay. Some say advanced, some say honors, some say pre-AP biology. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. But AP biology is different. Okay. That gets you a full GPA. But these honors, advanced, pre-AP all don't get any full GPA.
Okay.
I
Got
thought
it? They all
honors
get.
was harder than advanced.
What, ma?
I thought honors was harder than advanced.
Both are one and the same.
We didn't even have an option for honors when we did our high school selection.
Yeah. So you would have had it as advanced, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
That is
there's
it.
like
That's it.
during summer school, there's an option for honors that's different than advanced.
Don't worry. See, Frisco SD was calling that earlier as advanced, now as honors, or earlier was honors, now as advanced. So they mix and match. But please remember, all honors advanced courses are one and the same. AP is different. Okay, earlier all ISDs were providing honors pre-calculus, in the sense that pre-calculus, in my opinion, was very hard. Now every ISD has gone to AP pre-calculus, which has completely shortened the curriculum or made it easier. I don't know, but that's what it is. You see? So, but the thing is, why did they bring in this AP pre-calculus? For you guys to get more GPAs. You get it because it's an AP course, right? Honors pre-calculus was not an AP course. But the curriculum has become easier to, I don't know guys, but that's what it is with pre-calculus, okay? So now did you get it? Did you get how to access these? Please do every or one of these before your EOC exam. Go to this extra practice test. Annam, have you seen this previous star released questions earlier?
Yeah, I've already done the most recent one. But
The
mostly I'm
most
doing
recent one is
the
okay, Ma, but what I see across all the students is they go here, star release test questions. They just do these 4, but there are more, right? This is what I'm saying. Go to this side, archived star release test. You need to solve all.
okay.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, Yama.
I have to leave. We have to.
Yama, you can go. Yeah, I'll stop here, guys. That's it. See, okay. So with respect to quadratic word problems, I'll give you more. Okay, for this week. Okay, do whatever problems you can and let me know if you need help with those problems. We'll try to solve in the next class and then we'll move on to geometry once you finish your algebra 1 EOS. Okay, any questions? Any questions for me? Anything, any concept that you want me to go over next class, always feel free to message. Okay, shall we stop here?
Sure.
Okay, guys, see you all next week.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Have a nice
Priya.
week.
Bye.
Bye, Miss
Bye,
Priya.
guys. Have a
Miss
nice
Priya.
week.
Thank you.
Bye. Yes, Avni.
Miss Priya, I just wanted to say I might be a bit behind in homework because I was studying for the 8th grade test, right? So
No problem.
I'm like trying to keep up.
With you, I don't have a problem. I know you will do. You'll take care of it. So I don't ask you. Okay. By the way, how was your grade 8 test?
It felt pretty easy.
Easy, right?
Yeah.
So what was difficult on it?
Really, I think it was difficult. They gave us a calculator, so
Everything was easy.
yeah. Okay.
So you're going to write the exam in July, huh?
Yeah, the algebra.
See, in your case, Avni, I have done as much as I know, we have done everything in Algebra 1. Okay, you
Yeah.
have the 2 books, you have the review with you. Separately, if you want, I'll give you separate assignments.
Okay.
Okay. Just ping me later, after the summer starts. You see, after we are done with May 23 exam, I'll give you a separate set of assignments. Like grade 8, I gave you, right?
Yeah.
I can give you like that.
Okay.
You get it? You can take a break as well, prepare whatever you and your mom want to do, we can do.
Okay. Thank you.
You got it? And the grade 8 assessments that you worked, right? Were they useful?
Yeah, they were. They I don't know if it would have been that easy without them.
Oh, I see. See, I want to know in
Yeah.
future to help out other kids. You get it?
Yeah.
Meaning not many kids get to write grade 8 EOC.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to understand how it was and which resource were useful because I don't get access to those question papers and all.
Yeah, that it was really easy. Those questions helped me a lot.
Okay, okay. And any financial literacy questions you didn't know?
No, the financial literacy questions actually in the papers that you gave me were more complicated than in the actual test.
Okay, but the topics were similar, huh?
Yeah, the topics are similar.
Similar. Oh, good to know, ma. Good. Okay. For algebra 1, like that I'll give you. But ask me after all the classes get over.
Okay.
Okay, with you homework I'm not bothered, but don't just because I'm not following it up nicely with you, I know there are so many things going on at your end, right?
Yeah.
It's fine. But at the same time, just because I'm not following it up, don't take it lax. You cannot pass algebra 1, algebra 1, you're going to CB algebra 1, right?
Yeah.
So after all these get over, come back, push yourself up, work it out and ask.
Yeah, I already started studying for that.
Oh, good, 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 good,
Okay.
good. Okay. Anything, ask me.
Okay.
Anyway, your mom is nicely coordinating.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, ma.
Bye.